Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news. Manqoba Mngqithi has been strongly linked with a move to Kaizer Chiefs. Look, for me, I don't think it's a coincidence that the very same day we learn about Khalil Penusif and Cedric Kaz's departure, we also learn that Manqoba Mngqithi is said to leave Golden Arrows. And in the past few weeks, I've been seeing reports linking him to Kaizer Chiefs, but I didn't pay too much attention. I was waiting for the season to come to an end, and now I think there's something concrete there. I think this is a very high possibility. This man let me believe yesterday that maybe Pitso Msimane is coming, but now sitting here, I think the favorite is Manqoba Mngqithi. Now, do I think he's the right guy? Um, he's not my number one candidate, but I think he has what I'm looking for from our next head coach, which is the name, stature, reputation. The players don't need to go to Google to find out who you are. You know, he's won trophies, whether as an assistant coach or as a head coach. He's been at Mamelodi Sundowns for almost his whole entire career. He started at Golden Arrows. He won the MTN 8, which was an incredible achievement during our reign, our dominance. Orlando Pirates, SuperSport, Mamelodi Sundowns to win the a trophy with Golden Arrows. That's a difficult thing, but that was a long time ago. Went to Sundowns, worked under Pitso Msimane, won multiple titles there, and also worked with Coach Rulani as the two co-head coaches, and they dominated the league. Then he got the job as the sole head coach. Things didn't go well there. He was sacked, I think, 3 months in, if I'm not mistaken. Just after December, after losing against in the final of the Carling. I think Sundowns were a bit ruthless to him, but understandably so because he wasn't doing well in the CAF Champions League. He had only won, I think, one from the first three. Sundowns were under pressure. They were on the brink of not qualifying for the quarterfinal, so they had to make a change. So, look, I think I take Manqoba Mngqithi all day. I think in the league, okay, besides Miguel Cardoso and Abdeslam Ouaddou, because it's not realistic to say you take one of them because you're definitely not getting any. I think he's the one I'd go with. He's experienced, as I've said. He has won stuff. He has worked in a big team. Look at the work he did at Golden Arrows with the young kids. You know, Golden Arrows are a team that sells most of their players, and they are a team that promotes most of their players. That team was full of young players, and they managed to finish sixth. I think that's a good job, and his style of play, champagne football. So I think I'd back him from day one. I think this is one of um, the decisions I'll support from day one. You know, so yeah, come on, man, make this happen. It's either him or Pitso Msimane, one between the two. Don't bring me someone who might have to, go to Google in order to find out about him. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.